Thermoregulation is part of homeostasis. Homeostasis is the process by which a constant internal environment is maintained despite changes in the external environment. The focus of this video is on thermoregulation. Thermoregulation maintains the body temperature within a range that enables cells to function efficiently. Different species of animals are adapted to different temperature ranges, and each animal has an optimal temperature range. Invertebrates, and most fish, amphibians, and reptiles, are referred to as ectotherms. These animals depend on air temperature to regulate metabolic rates. Therefore, activity is partially regulated by the environment. To overcome this limitation, some reptiles have developed behavioral adaptations, such as sunning themselves on rocks or retreating to shaded areas to regulate body temperature. Mammals including humans and birds are referred to as endotherms. They are able to maintain a constant body temperature regardless of their surroundings. In humans, normal body temperature is usually 37 degrees Celsius. Thanks to the process of thermoregulation, a change in external temperature would not greatly affect the internal temperature. In the next section, we will be looking at the body's response to cold stress. When external temperatures drop, the thermoreceptors in the skin send a message to the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus region of the vertebrate brain is responsible for coordinating many nerve and hormone functions. And so it acts as a coordinating center. The hypothalamus sends messages to the organs and tissues to increase body temperature. Nerve messages are also carried to the smooth muscle that surrounds the hair follicles in your skin, causing the hair to erect. The erect hair traps warm, still air next to the surface of your skin and helps reduce heat loss. This response is particularly effective in mammals with a thick coat of body hair. In addition, the hypothalamus also sends nerve messages that initiate shivering. The shivering response is a rhythmic contraction of skeletal muscle. Cycles of rapid muscle contractions of between 10 and 20 times per minute generate heat production by increasing metabolism. In the next section, we will be looking at the body's response to heat stress. When sensors in the brain detect a rise in body temperature, a nerve message is coordinated within the hypothalamus and a signal is sent to the blood vessels in the skin, causing them to dilate. At the same time, a nerve message is sent to the sweat glands to initiate sweating. The evaporation of perspiration from the skin causes cooling. Because the skin has been cooled by the evaporation of sweat, the blood loses heat to the skin. When blood from the skin returns to the core of the body, it cools the internal organs. Ectotherms are animals that depend on air temperature to regulate metabolic rates. Endotherms are able to maintain a constant body temperature regardless of their surroundings. A decrease in temperature causes constriction of blood vessels. Heat is conserved, shivering, hairs on body erect. More heat is generated. An increase in temperature causes dilation of blood vessels. Sweating causes cooling effect. Heat is lost.